Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are going to set up and test vegetable and meat grinding with the GoWise 800-watt 4-in-1 meat grinder kit and food processor. In the back, the motor unit. On the left side, the meat grinder parts. On the right side, the food processor parts. And in front, the Kibbe maker parts. Okay, let's grind some carrot for carrot cake. First step, assemble the grinder. We'll use a coarse, and this piece turns to the left to lock in. Now, put it in forward. It will be a little loud, about like a hand vacuum. And a pusher. Now for comparison, we're going to try the fine grinder. As I make a bit of mess because I'm not the cook of the house. But you should see the difference in textures. So this was coarse. And this is a fine grind, just a little bit finer. You'd get the same thing if you used a box grater. And to complete the picture, the slicer. That's all the functions you get from the vegetable slicer. While the carrots we ground are in the oven becoming carrot cupcakes, let's work now on making some hamburger for dinner. Lock button, insert. Auger goes in with the longer end in the back to engage. The blade, make sure this cutting edge is toward the front or it will not cut against this plate. We'll use the medium for our hamburger today. And this one turns to the right to clamp it together. I did not install the hopper plate on top of the grinder head because it would get in the way of the video. And just that quickly, a little ground beef. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing.